When you think about decorating your living room, you might focus on the sofa, coffee table, or wall paint. But let me tell you a secret: curtains can completely change the entire atmosphere of your space. They're not just fabric hanging by the window. Curtains add texture, color, and personality, making your living room feel cozy, elegant, or even luxurious. In this video, we'll explore 8 stylish curtain ideas for 2025 that designers are loving. From minimal and natural looks to bold and high-tech options, these ideas will inspire you to refresh your living room with something new this year. Idea 1: Sheer and light curtains. Sheer curtains are a timeless favorite, but in 2025 they're more popular than ever. Imagine sunlight softly entering your room through white or beige sheers, creating a warm, calming glow. They're perfect for smaller living rooms because they don't block natural light, making the space look bigger and brighter. If you want something light but stylish, you can also go for sheer curtains with subtle patterns like stripes or embroidery. Idea 2: Layered curtains. If you love flexibility, layering is the way to go. This trend combines sheer curtains with blackout or heavy drapes. During the day, open the blackout layer and let the sheers bring in light. At night, close the heavier layer for complete privacy and coziness. This style works especially well in modern living rooms where you want both function and elegance. To make it more stylish, try mixing textures, like soft linen sheers with velvet or suede blackout drapes. Idea 3: Bold colors and patterns. 2025 is the year of experimenting with bold curtain colors. Think deep emerald green, burnt orange, mustard yellow, or even navy blue. And if you really want your curtains to stand out, go for patterns. Geometric prints, florals, or even abstract designs can turn your curtains into a statement piece. For example, if your living room has neutral walls and furniture, adding bold patterned curtains instantly brings energy and personality to the space. Idea 4: Floor-to-ceiling curtains. If you want to make your living room look taller and more luxurious, go for floor-to-ceiling curtains. Instead of hanging curtains just above the window frame, mount the rod higher, almost touching the ceiling. This design trick elongates the walls and makes the room feel bigger. For a classy, timeless look, choose neutral tones like white, gray, or beige. If you prefer luxury vibes, try velvet curtains in rich jewel tones like emerald or sapphire. Idea 5: Smart and motorized curtains. Technology is changing the way we decorate our homes, and curtains are no exception. Smart and motorized curtains are a top trend in 2025. Imagine lying on the sofa, clicking a button, and your curtains slide open. Or setting them on a timer so they open with the sunrise. These curtains don't just look sleek, they add a futuristic and luxurious touch to your living room. They're especially great for large windows or media walls where manual opening can be a hassle. Idea 6: Natural fabrics. Sustainability is a big theme in 2025, and it's influencing curtain design too. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and bamboo are becoming very popular. These materials are eco-friendly, breathable, and give your living room a light, airy feel. Linen curtains, for example, bring a soft and natural texture that works perfectly in Scandinavian or minimalist interiors. If you want your home to feel calm and eco-conscious, natural fabric curtains are a perfect choice. Idea 7: Metallic and luxury finishes. For those who love a glamorous living room, luxury fabrics are making a comeback. Think velvet and silk curtains in rich colors paired with metallic finishes like gold or silver tiebacks, shiny rods, and decorative rings. This trend adds a royal vibe to your space. It's perfect if you want your living room to look more like a luxury hotel suite. Pro tip: pair them with warm lighting to highlight the shine and texture of the fabric. Idea 8: Two-tone curtains. And finally, one of the most unique trends for 2025 is two-tone curtains. These combine 2 different colors in one design, often a lighter shade on top and a darker shade at the bottom. This creates depth, dimension, and contrast without overwhelming the room. For example, white and gray is perfect for modern spaces, while beige and teal bring a lively, elegant touch. It's a simple yet eye-catching way to add personality to your windows. So there you have it, 8 curtain ideas that are trending in 2025. From light sheers and layered looks to bold colors, natural fabrics, and high-tech motorized options, curtains are no longer just window coverings. They're a design element that can set the entire mood of your living room. Which of these trends do you love the most? Would you go bold with colors, keep it soft with sheers, or upgrade to smart curtains? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more home decor and interior design inspiration. Remember, the right curtains can take your living room from ordinary to extraordinary.